Wind. All about wind. I'm finding it extremely difficult to pedal my cycle today. What is making it so hard to cycle? It's really windy today, and that is making cycling difficult. See the leaves flying, and even the trees are swaying in the wind. Moving air is called wind. Wind blows in a definitive direction. The wind is blowing against our friend's cycle today. This lady is cleaning the wheat by letting the wind blow away the chaff. She is tossing up the wheat and the chaff is blown away. Can you find the direction of the wind when you stand outside? If you drop some sand in the air, it gets blown away in the wind. We can see the direction in which the wind is blowing. Let's learn a bit more about wind. If you turn the knob of the fan to 1, the fan runs very slowly and we get a very little breeze. If we turn the knob to 5, then the fan moves fast and we get a lot of breeze. On some days, we find that we have a gentle breeze blowing and it is pleasant. Sometimes there hardly is any breeze and it is difficult to see a leaf move. On other days, the wind is very strong and seems to blow everything that comes in its way. So we find that wind has speed. When the wind is strong, it has a lot of force in it. Strong winds cause storms which are very harmful. They can even uproot trees and poles. Storms at sea can damage ships and even make them sink. So we learn that wind exerts force. But even though we saw how wind can damage things, wind is very useful to us. Wind can be made to work for us through a windmill. A windmill is used to generate electricity, or small ones can help grind wheat or pump water. Wind is useful in helping an aeroplane take off and land too. While taking off, if the wind is pushing from behind the plane, the takeoff can be easier. While landing, the aeroplane lands against the wind to help slow it down faster. The air traffic people are able to judge the direction of the wind with a device called a windsock. Wind also helps sailboats to sail. The sails catch the wind, which moves the boat forward. Wind also helps plants scatter their seeds. Let me tell you another use for wind. Right, we fly kites because of wind. So, what are you waiting for? Enough of learning today. Let's go out and enjoy the breeze. We have had fun learning about the wind. Keep learning.